was right on the trail. So yeah, I was an idiot. That spot I was talking about, you got that slope, the rock slope there, which is a short little slope that Xena and I had trouble on, and I thought camp was just right past that. But no, we kept going like, oh yeah, I was past this big slope. Yeah, so a few more minutes we'll be at camp. Yeah, we kept on going. I'm like, it's a lot farther than I thought. So yeah, we just gotta make our way up that. And a minute or two, we'll be at camp. Okay, so you gotta be careful here. It's all wet, so. Now there's camp. And it's starting to rain pretty good now. Of course, when we get to camp, we'll set up camp. Well, time to gather up some firewood. Get this fire going. That'll help keep the mosquitoes at bay. Smoke them out. Yeah, I gather up some of this driftwood, cut it up. What you doing? Oh wow, you ate a lot of your food. Filled up her bowl there. She ate it all up, gobbled it all down. She's snoozing over there. Had to get this fire going pretty much right away. Set up camp. Just got some driftwood. It broke it up with my feet, and just to help with these bugs. But yeah, since I got the fire going, it's been nice. They're pretty much gone now. Morning, everybody. I actually slept in today. I woke up at 7. Right now it's about 7:30. Got this fire going right away. Not because of the cold. It's actually not that cold out, but because of the mosquitoes. Oh, they're terrible this morning. Right away they started. Xena's sleeping in. She's still in the tent. Came out, went for a pee, and went back in. I think she just wants to the tent to get away from the mosquitoes. So Xena and I are just taking a walk up Twin Pine Trail. Like our campsite's right along the Cabian Trail, but that's the one that's the super long one. It's like 50 kilometers long. It starts at Thunder Bay Lookout. It's about 24 kilometers to the Giant, and it gets to the Giant, and then it goes all the way around the Giant, along the back of the legs, and over to Lightning's Bay. I hiked this trail once years and years ago, it's long before Xena, and I used to come out here by bike. I used to bike up Burma Trail. I think it was a few kilometers up Burma Trail. I think 4. And the other end of Twin Pine comes out onto Burma Trail. So I biked up and I couldn't really bike through here. So I left the bike behind there and then hiked all the way through here up until where we're camping. I never camped there then. I was camping at a different spot and then just took a ride and just kind of went exploring, hiked through this trail and check out that spot. But yeah, our campsite's on the Cabian Trail, and then right at where the Twin Pine Trail ends. It's right at that junction. I was thinking about doing the Burma Trail this time around, hike in through there and come up Twin Pine. Apparently there's supposed to be 2 other campsites around the middle of this trail at Twin Pine Lake. And when I was there, it was a beautiful spot. That lake was so peaceful and very remote. But those 2 spots were very overgrown. But I have a feeling, I think they've fixed them up by now because they've done a lot of work out here. So I was thinking about hiking in here and camping at one of those spots last night. And then here where we are tonight. But I never did. I really wanted to do that section from Thunder Bay Lookout. You want to go play in the lake? You want to go in the lake? Hey, you want to go play in the lake? Yeah, okay. Let's let you loose here. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, stay. Let's go in the lake. Wow, she is just bouncing all over the place. Go. We're going like. I don't think she really likes the waves right now. Okay, we're gonna play a little more here. Oh, now there's a fire. Now wait till this thing really catches. Those 2 tall ones got to be about 4 feet. Yeah, those 2 tall ones were going pretty good for a bit, and then they just toppled over. I was actually doing a live Facebook video when they went down. So quiet compared to last night with those strong waves, but now the lake is pretty still. Well, Xena's called it a night quite a while ago. She's in the tent sleeping. I just sat and enjoyed along the shoreline. I sat there while she was in the tent. I just sat there for about an hour enjoying the most amazing sunset ever. This is the end of day 2. So we're going to go, I'm going to head to sleep here. She's already sleeping. So I'm going to head into the tent here in a bit. It's 11 o'clock now. And tomorrow we're going to hike out over to Sawyer Bay. We'll see you guys in the morning. Well, we're all packed up here at Twin Pine. But wow, it was quiet night. What a difference from the night before on the first night. Remember all those waves on the first night? Now look how calm the lake is now. At least it was nice and calm. It made it easy to get water, especially for putting out the fire, because I use that Xena Vecto water bag, 2-liter water bag, so I have to come back and forth about 5 times to get water to put out the fire. But yeah, look how much calmer it is. Wow, what a difference. We're just gonna finish up. I think I'm just gonna relax for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna head on out. Everything's all packed up, so I'm just gonna finish off my coffee and then head out. We're gonna head on over from here at Twin Pine over to Sawyer Bay. About 12-kilometer hike. This section's a lot easier than that first half there up to Twin Pine. It's a lot more flat, a little more easy going. Really nice too. I love this section. Yeah, this whole section from Thunder Bay Lookout to Sawyer Bay is the best. I think I say it in every time I'm out here. But yeah, so yeah, we're on our way to Sawyer Bay, of course, like I said, and yeah, just one night there. And then tomorrow, it's supposed to rain tomorrow afternoon, so tomorrow we're hiking over to T Harbor. So we might be hiking in the rain, which is okay, as long as it's not a hard rain. And they were calling for a chance of thunderstorms Monday morning during the hike out, but actually it's pushed back earlier. It's supposed to be, I think, like 5 in the morning, so might get a little later start on the hike out Monday morning.